Welcome to GMATI Maths. In this video, we are going to see the 9th standard Samachir Maths. In that, we are going to see the first chapter, set language. What is set language? Set language is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. Okay, collection of objects. Here, what is set? Collection of objects is a set. Here, can we say all the collection is a set? No, we can't, because collection of well-defined objects is called as a set. What is collection of well-defined objects? How do you identify? How do you identify that well-defined object? Here, let us see through the examples. See the first example, collection of natural numbers. In this collection, we have only the natural number 1, 2, etc. up to it is going on. Here in that set, in that collection, natural number collection, here we can't have any whole number or any negative number or any irrational numbers like that. Okay, so here, so it is well defined one, because it defined well, it has only the natural number, so that it is a defined one. So we can say this collection is a set. Like the same, see the second one is collection of English alphabet. In this set, in this collection, we have only that English alphabet A to Z. Okay, so it is defined well, so it is, this collection is a set. Then we can see the third example, collection of real numbers. In this collection, we have only the real numbers. What are all the numbers are real numbers? What are the numbers are called real numbers? Natural number, whole number, and then rational number and irrational number. All these numbers and integers, all these numbers are called as real numbers. So in this collection we have only the real numbers. Okay, all these three examples we have seen here. All these three examples defined as set, because it is well defined one. Okay, so how do you identify it is not defined well? It is not well defined one. See that example. See beautiful flowers in the garden. The collection of beautiful flowers in the garden. Beautiful flowers, I might consider as a jasmine as a beautiful flower, but you may consider as a rose as a beautiful flower, so that here it is not well defined. Okay, so it is not a set. And then see the second example, good students in the class. Like the same, talented guys and tallest student in the class. All these four examples are not defined well. Okay, so all these four are called as not a set. It is not a set. Set is usually denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, D. Okay, now we can take a set. Here we can take a set A. Here, how do you represent? How do you write in the mathematical way? How do you write the set in mathematical way? We have to write the set inside the set notation. This notation is called as a set. It is a curly brackets. Okay, so inside this curly brackets, we have to write the particular element of the set. Okay, suppose here, now I am going to write here the set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. So how we are going to write natural numbers? Okay, I am giving the name as the set of natural numbers as A. A represent set of natural numbers. Here, how do you write that elements? How we can write? You see here, natural number starts from 1. So every element in the set here is written inside the curly brackets, separated by comma. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Because it is an infinite set, so it will go up to infinity. Okay, like this we have to represent the set in mathematical way. You have to give the name using that English alphabet. Here that element should be written inside the curly brackets. It is called as a set notation. Next, for example, if we take up here some sets B, I can take that element as A, B, C, D. Okay, so in this set we have the element, only 4 elements, A, B, C, D. Okay, so here I will say here whether that number 1 is in the set B or not. How do you write in the mathematical way? Any element is in the particular set or not? Okay, 1 is not in the set B, so here only that letters, English letters are there here, so that 1 is does not belongs to B. Does not belongs to here. This mathematical way, here expression is, this one is belongs to. And here it is does not belongs to. Okay, so here the element 1 is not in B, so that we can write 1 does not belongs to B. The small a, here that A, the letter A here the element A is in the set B. So how do you write that? Here A belongs to the set B and the B belongs to set B and the element C belongs to set B and the element D belongs to set B. Like that we can say that any element is in the particular set, we can say that particular element is belongs to B. Suppose if it is not, here we can say that particular element does not belongs to B. This is mathematical representation of the words belongs to and does not belongs to. We can represent a set in the given three forms. Here what are the forms? Descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. Set builder form, here in this first one is descriptive form. How to represent a set in descriptive form? Here in descriptive manner, if we write a given set, we can say it is a descriptive form. Here like example, set of all natural numbers less than 10. Using words we have described the set. Okay, it is called as descriptive form. Set builder form, we have to give a element by in the particular rule. It is called as a set builder form. So how to represent this set builder form for this set? Here see here, set of all x such that this x is the element of this set. Okay, what is the set? The set is nothing but all natural numbers less than 10. Okay, how do you represent? X belongs to natural numbers. So x belongs to natural number n. X belongs to n, is a natural number. The second condition is there. Here that element should be less than 10. So that we have to write the second condition is also that element should less than 10. Okay. Here like that we can give the rule of the element of the set. This is called as a set builder form. That is set of all x such that x belongs to n and x less than 10. That is that the element of this set is in natural number. At the same time it should be less than 10. Okay. Suppose if I don't know to like in this way, here we can write another way. Here set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 10. Like that we can write in easy way. This one is also a condition. X is a natural number less than 10. Like that also we can represent in this form, set builder form. Okay, roster form. Roster form, we have to write the element of the set directly inside the curly brackets. Okay, so here what are the elements should come? This is called as a roster form. Here we have to roster every element of the set of all natural numbers less than 10. So natural numbers start from 1. So here that element start from 1 and 2, 3 because it is less than 10. So here up to 9 we can write 7, 8 and 9. So here in this roster form we have represented the given set is like this 1 to 9. See the another one example. See in descriptive form we can see set of all natural numbers which is multiple of 3. Here using words we have represented, here we have described a set. Okay, in set builder form how do we express the set? In the set builder form, here set of all x such that x, here it is a natural number and which is multiple of 3. So we can write x equal to multiple of 3. So we can write x equal to 3n. And n belongs to natural number. Like that we can express in set builder form. Here if here n is belongs to capital N, natural number starts from 1. In here instead of this one, if you substitute 1, 3 into 1 will come. Here it is 3. Then if you substitute the next number 3 into 2, so we can have 6. Then 3 into 3 we can have 9. So all these are n. It is belongs to capital N. Okay, so we can have finally we can have 3, 6, 9 all the multiples of 3. We can have all the sets here. So it represents the set builder form. In roster form how do we represent this set? Here roster form directly we have to write the element. So here multiple of 3. So multiples 3 multiples of 3, 3, 6 and 9 and 12. It will go up to infinity. So we can write here etc. Put etc. symbol. In this video we have seen about set language and set. Here how to identify the well-defined one and not well-defined objects, and then how to represent a set in 3 forms, that is descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. Take this video in a useful manner and learn well. Thank you. I hope you all like this video. So please like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.